Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. On today's video, I will show you how to make bell pepper sauce. This sauce is so delicious and it's a perfect combination for different kinds of foods. If you're interested in knowing how it's made, please keep watching. To make the sauce, you need red, yellow and green bell peppers. You need onions. You also need ginger and garlic. For the protein, I'll be using some grilled chicken and beef, fried snails, and boiled eggs. I chopped the bell peppers and one onion for easy blending. I also chopped the other onion, garlic, and the ginger. I'm also using one scotch bonnet pepper for this recipe. I forgot to mention it earlier. I'm using one because it is really spicy, so you can use more if you prefer. I don't want the peppers smoothly blended, but you can blend yours smooth if you prefer. Add the blended peppers to a pot and let it boil for 30 minutes. This also helps to reduce the cooking time of the sauce. After 30 minutes, set the boiled pepper mix aside. Heat up half a cup of red oil and vegetable oil in a pot and saute the chopped onions, chopped garlic and chopped ginger for about 3 minutes. You can also use any oil of your choice. After about 3 minutes, add the boiled pepper mix and stir in to combine. Add the chicken and meat broth. If you don't have this, you can skip this procedure. Stir in to combine and cover to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the oil floating like this. Season with some seasoning cubes, thyme, curry powder and salt. I have a list of all ingredients used in the description box below. If you are watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends or anyone that might be needing this recipe. I added the boiled eggs and the fried snails first because I wanted to absorb the sauce, and I'll cover to cook again for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm adding the grilled beef and chicken and I'll let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. The sauce is ready now and you can have this sauce with ofada rice. You can have it with boiled rice. I had mine with rice and beans. You can also have this sauce with fried yams or fried potatoes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.